So now we're going to look at performing the nonlinear regression, coefficient of determination, and line of best fit, and of course residual for a line or a scatter plot that is nonlinear. So I'm going to go through the same procedures as the linear regression, and of course let's start with our scatter plot. So we can highlight the two columns that we want, and of course we're going to go to insert, and again scatter plot, and you can see that we have scatter plot that comes up of the information. So again we can put in a title, and we're going to go to layout, and we're going to choose, label our axis, horizontal axis below, again that's going to be year, and then our vertical axis, click on axis title again, and vertical axis, and rotate, and we're going to type in cost, and we're going to put the dollar symbol. Again, acceptable in Excel. And there we go. So we can delete this relative cost at the end, and we have our scatter plot. Again, you can increase the size of your scatter plot by dragging, clicking, holding, dragging on the right hand corner. And once we have that, we want to look at performing regression for a scatter plot. Now here again, this looks quadratic, so we'll go to the trend lines tab, more trend line options, and we're going to go down and we're going to look at choosing one of these particular tabs. Now we're going to choose polynomial, and because it's quadratic it'll have order of 2. If it was cubic it would have order of 3. Okay, quartic order of 4, quintic order of 5. So we're looking for a polynomial order of 2. So I choose 2 in this box. Remember, click your display equation, and now here you just have to click your R squared tab, so you don't have to actually go to the correlation function because it works mainly with the linear correlation. And I'm going to close. So your equation is right here. You can put that in a better spot. You can drag until you feel that you're comfortable where it's located. So you have the equation right here of the actual quadratic, or the line of best fit, and your graph is complete. Now you have your R squared, which is 0.9725. Again, you could choose a different trend line and see if you get a better R squared value. That is a strong correlation, but it is possible that a better particular trend line might work, okay, and give you a stronger coefficient of determination. Now, to find a residual, we go through the same process. Okay, we go to Data tab and Data Analysis. We go down to Regression. Hit OK, and that box comes up, and you don't need these values in here. You can delete those or just go over the top. Remember, you need your Y input or your dependent variables first. So I'm going to highlight that. And then I'm going to click on my X. And I have to go back because I ended up going in the wrong box. Click on the Y again. Highlight. Then click on the X range, and I'm going to highlight A2 to A10 in my table. Again, choose residual plots, and then hit OK. Again, on a different sheet, you will see that my residual comes up, and for every value, it indicates the residual. Okay, it shows you how far each data point is, okay, from the actual line of best fit, and you can see at 1975 it's 2.49. As we go down, You just have to hold on the actual point to see the display. At 1976 is 0.54, and then of course we go to 1977. It's negative because it's below the line of best fit, so it's below the horizontal line here in the residual plot. And of course 78 again, just wait till the plus sign comes up and hold, and it gives you the range for the residual plot of